Hey, Kate here at WTI. If you need to get yourself a little more organized, these wire baskets from Blue Donut are awesome. So they come in a set of 3. This one is the smallest. So you can see that it's not very big. I was in desperate need of storage in what I call my all-purpose closet. So I have a closet where I store everything. So my steam cleaner, my vacuum, all of those things, even some pantry items. You know that all those machines have a billion little pieces and nowhere to put them. So I love this storage basket for that. I can hang it on the wall. It's nice and secure. It does come with anchors. As you can see, just 2 little screw holes, super easy to install. And then you have extra storage for whatever you need. They look really nice too. It's this black wire basket, very modern and stylish. And then the wooden base, the base is screwed in so it doesn't fall out or anything. So if you're looking for something for any room in your house, but that you just want to be able to put extra little things in, I think this is a really good option. And that's my point of view.